It almost tastes like number 4, except this one's like more creamy, and it has a bit of like a peanut butter flavor too. This one's also really dark. It's definitely chocolate flavored.
Okay.
That kind of tastes like dark chocolate too.
Okay.
It seems a little clumpy.
So let me know what you think of the taste, the texture, the sweetness, what you think of it overall. Have a drink, kind of swish around your mouth a little. And I want to know what you think of the taste and the texture, the sweetness, your overall impressions. So what do you think about the taste?
This one's powdery.
Okay, powdery.
This one's quite gritty.
Okay.
This one tastes good. I like it.
Wow, this one is very creamy and nice.
This one's kind of thick.
Okay, kind of thick. And you can take a big drink if you want to. You don't have to just get a little.
I like this one.
Okay.
It has heavy cream in it.
So try that out and let me know what you think about it.
Tastes like hot chocolate. Dark hot chocolate. This one has interesting bubbles at the top.
Yeah, probably because I just shook it up.
Oh, that's pretty bitter.
Bitter?
My gut is icier than hers.
Say something.
Okay, what do you think of that?
I like it. It's better.
What do you think about that one? Now you're gonna do number 4. This one right here.
I can see the numbers.
Oh, you can?
Uh-huh.
That's backwards.
I can read backwards.
Oh yeah. Okay.
This one has kind of a weird aftertaste kind of thing. Not as much as the first one, but it's still there.
Is it the sweetener aftertaste or is it the flavor aftertaste?
I think it'd be the sweetener, probably. I like this one.
You like that one?
Yeah. I can tell what flavor this is.
Okay.
Do you love it?
It just tastes.
What flavor is this?
It's number 5.
The texture is more gritty than the other ones, but not as much as 2. Tastes kind of weird.